We all have bad habits, scrolling too much, skipping workouts, eating junk. And we all say, I'll quit tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. So how do we actually destroy bad habits? Let me tell you something powerful. You don't break habits by fighting them. You break them by replacing them. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Identify the trigger. Every bad habit starts with a trigger, maybe boredom, stress, or a certain time of day. Ask yourself, when do I usually do this? Find that pattern. That's your first key. Step 2. Replace it. Don't just stop the habit, swap it. Feel like scrolling? Take a walk. Want junk food? Drink water first. Your brain still wants the reward, so give it a healthier option. Step 3. Make it harder to slip. Hide the junk food. Put your phone in another room. Make the bad habit inconvenient, and make the good habit easy. Step 4. Be patient. Habits don't change overnight. You'll slip sometimes, and that's okay. What matters is that you keep going. Progress, not perfection. Destroying bad habits isn't about being perfect. It's about being aware, being consistent, and choosing better one day at a time. You got this. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Sentinel Trails for more amazing content. See you in the next adventure.